You can see here there's a considerable size difference between Tootsie right here and Pumpkin right there. Good morning and welcome back to Boisterous Cock Farmstead. So this morning we're actually going to try out the trough for the 3 hybrid guinea hog and Duroc crosses. But first, so as you see, I'm only moving that tractor about halfway every day. There's only 3 birds in there. Really, I don't even need to move it every day, but just to give them a little bit of fresh ground for where their food is. So I drop the food in front of where I'm going to move it and then move the tractor over it. That also helps them to keep from being stuck in the back and everything, but they're doing fairly well. They haven't really gotten into the area that's been torn up by the pig yet, so hopefully they can kind of scratch and level that out. Plus the dragging of the tractor over that area hopefully will level that out as well, so we'll see. So now that everybody in there knows what this fermented grain tastes like, they're less distracted by the hay, although I've got a couple over there that are focusing more on the hay. I think those are my smaller barrows there. But hopefully they can get a little bit of grain in them today too. I gotta hurry up over here and feed my breast chickens before these guys are done eating, start stealing chicken food. All right, so I think that went fairly well. We'll check on these guys over here. What do you want, more? So ideally there would be a couple fewer in there so that everybody had an opportunity to get to the trough there, but for now that's where we are. we'll see if I need to make any changes. I'm hoping that I can sell some pigs here before too long, and that'll take care of that problem, but never know. They're going to be a good durability test for that trough setup. You can see they're getting in there, they're fighting each other, pushing, shoving. So we'll see how long that one lasts. That's another reason why I'm not necessarily pushing to do more until I see how durable it is. But we'll let the chickens out here. All right, that's everybody. Now I've just got to fill these pig grain buckets up, but if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description so that you guys don't have to watch me do that too again. But that's kind of a day in the chores in the morning. I'm gonna get back inside and feed my son his breakfast and start my daddy fun day with my son. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like this video, please smash the like button. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Click the bell notification so that you're notified when new videos are released. And share this video, comment on this video if you have any comments, if you think there's something that you had a question about why I do something a certain way, or if you have a way that you do it that's an improvement on what you think I'm doing. Feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section. As always, thanks for joining us, and God bless.